3:15 p.m. Mas makakatipid ka sa malaki? Tides Big Bag. Tipid ka ng hanggang 180 pesos. Kasi sa Tides, habang lumalaki din ang tipid. Tides, posing sa kapatian at katipiran. Kaching!
Great question from Gina. How can I have soft hair all day? For soft hair, morning, noon, and night, I use Palmolive Naturals Intensive Moisture with 100% natural cocoa cream and milk extract. Para bawat strand, touchably soft. Buong araw, hanggang gabi. It's midnight, hair still soft. See? Have a great hair day, all day. My mom taught me to be the greatest ever, and it's possible with the help of the greatest home broadband offer, Tattoo at Home. I get the fastest speed, affordable price, with more free items. Get Tattoo at Home.
Imagine a feast of flavors, all different, but coming together in one delightful dish. Introducing new Shaoqing
Wala man. Tumabi ka doon. Doon ka hawak mo siya. Mali. Makikita yan doon. Sige na. Tabi ka kayo.
The sweet smell of
freedom.
Yes, sounds like home. We're Danny.
Say goodbye to insects with Bygone Protection with natural citrus extracts from oranges. Now you can get rid of insects without the strong smell. Do you smell oranges? Get the protection you need without the strong smell. Bygone kills bugs dead, protects your family. S.C. Johnson, a family company.
You joined our in Manila, and we want to check kung sino dito ang may smooth and manageable hair. Ako! She looks like you, but is her hair manageable like mine? Let's check with the wind machine. Ay, buhag ha? Take the Sunsilk 7-Day Challenge. Makes hair softer, smoother in 7 days. Ready? Dapat isarap yan. Like twins. 7 days, guaranteed. Take the Sunsilk Challenge.
Was it an accident, Andrew? It's not a shame.
Ordinary shampoos can't fight hair fall. Hair fall can be caused by an unhealthy scalp. New Clear Strong and Thick range. Nourish your hair and scalp. Get 10 times stronger hair and 0 dandruff. New Clear Strong and Thick range.
I'm sucking! Itaan sa bilis ang nakakapamaluktot na headache at pain. Ivy Fluid Medical Advance. Paborito ako na pwede nang kulit-kulitin. Jollibee always a 4 delicious burger steak. Now only 39 pesos. Made with 100% pure beef patty with mushroom gravy. Jollibee always a 4 delicious.
Run, get out of control. Why you gotta be like that? That is a better than this. Did I catch you playing up the right back?
Dry, rough, and frizzy hair needs superior moisturization. Introducing new Dove Hair Care with Nutrioil to renourish and moisturize hair, leaving it 99% smoother and softer. Get your hair looking amazing with new Dove Hair Care.
Ang pagiging ina at pagiging actress, hindi nagkakalayo.
Yung kain na.
Merong drama, merong aksyon, meron ding romance. Puro paborito ang kinakain. Paano na ang nutrisyon niya? Ang bagong katuwang ko? Lactose. May mga essential nutrients from the food pyramid.
To help make Yolanda 100% nourished skin.
At ako, 100% panata.
The world's #1 musical, seen by over 50 million people, is coming on the road, showing up
Sunog.
24.
Nanay.
919999 or visit ticketworld.com.ph.
One.
Nakapatay ng asawa. Naiwan ng isang anak. Yung bunso.
Bibig. Bibig one. Bibig one.
Tumanggap ng pinakamabigat na
One.
Pangako, anak, babawiin ko ang ate mo.
dalawang maghiwalay na
Say tayo. Say tayo.
Are you ready? You think you're one of us? You will never be one of us.
pagtatagpuin ng katotohanan.
One.
Sabi mo, patay ang anak ko na right?
Wala nang makapigil sa pag-ikot ng kanilang kapalaran. Mundo man ang magbuga. Ngayong Lunes na alas 11:30 ng umaga. This portion is brought to you by PNG Estudiante.
Good afternoon once again, mga kapamilya, and welcome back to ASAP 2012. This year is sure to bring us new and better opportunities. Sa career, sa love, sabi na rin sa pagiging isang tunay na kapamilya. Ngayon, 2012, each of us